Hi everyone, I am back with a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you the ways to log in or sign in into your credit card account of JP Morgan Chase Bank. So if you wish to go and log in for a credit card account of JP Morgan Chase Bank, you just have to follow the steps. First thing, open up a browser and type in the link of the respective types of credit card that you wish to go and log in for. Let's say I'm gonna go with the reward card, so I'm gonna type in creditcard.chase.com/reward credit card. It's gonna take you to the official page, and right on this page, all you have to do is just go ahead and wait patiently. And on this page, you just have to go ahead and press on the sign in button if you already have an account. So press the sign in button, and that's going to take you to the other field where you have to go ahead and enter in your information and then the password associated with it. And click on Remember Me and click the sign in button, and you should be able to log in into your Morgan Chase bank account. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.